In this video, I'm going to show you how we are going to create our models based on the ERD diagram that I showed you earlier. First off, we are going to create our class. I'm going to say class, then branch, models.model, and then we will create our fields inside there. Name, field. So guys, if you feel like you want to add all the models like straight ahead, you can just go to the repository. I've shared the link below here, and then you get all the model classes that are available inside the API. So as you can see here, we have a class called branch, which has fields called name and address. What will happen here is after we add all the models, this is the database representation. When we run manage.py, make migrations, and then manage.py migrate, we will create migrations and then database tables will be created. So guys, I know this is a lot of work that you need to add. Take your time, and you can always go to the repository and then you can just copy paste, but I don't recommend you to copy paste. Just try to do it, because when you reiterate doing something, the more you become conversant doing that thing. So I think I'm going to pause this video because it will take much time to add all the models. So guys, this is the last model that you are finishing up, and then I just need to have like a function to just return a JSON object. I've implemented the same things in the other models. So this is just a dictionary that is containing the name itself. So when I want to use this, I will need to use it in the views, which I'll explain later. Then I put the address, then self address. Then I want to return the string from that object, okay, which is return self.name. That's all. So guys, that's all for the model. The next video I'm going to show you is how we are going to add serializers.